Showing up is the most important thing in any type of practice. But because of the geographic location, our busy schedule, or quality of instructors, it is very hard to find the right place to practice yoga. Online yoga classes seem to be the most convenient way to practice yoga these days. There are a lot of good yoga videos online, but students often found them lack of interaction, unlike the yoga classes in brick and mortar studios. Finding instructors that can give you personal attention, alignment tips, and verbal adjustment online is very, very hard these days. Welcome, friends. We're going to practice yoga again together online. I plan to do this very regularly so that I know that a lot of students cannot catch my schedule, or a lot of people in the world actually want to practice yoga, but they can never make the time or space to get into the studio to practice with the instructors. Yes, so this is a very good way for people to practice with me together.